Dynamic Tab Lift allows to lift and retract a tablet within a desk. The cover plate is the same that we have for Dynamic 2 and Dynamic X2. It's made of a brushed stainless steel, and we have two buttons, one for up and another one for down. And everything is also controllable through HNet, so we can control it through a third-party device, third-party control system. And as you can see here, we can have the tablet in landscape mode. We can also have it in portrait mode. We can open and we can close the mechanism to fit it inside. And there is also charger, so it's being charged while it's being in use. So we can retract it in vertical and also in horizontal position. It's available for different types of tablets, for different brands, and also for different sizes. If you would like more information, please visit arthurhome.com.